Hi everybody, welcome to TottyChoCho. My name is Sammy, this is my baby sister Lulu Belle, and this is Bye Big Wednesday. Hey, check it out, we got Sonic the Hedgehog egg right here. Wow! The Sonic Hedgehog egg is full of blind bags. Let's bust it open so we could check out the blind bags. Oh, it's busted! Busted it open! Busted it open! Busted it open! Busted it open! Let's check it out! Let's check it out! It's cool! Lulu Belle. Sonic the Hedgehog Pullbacks. Let's check out what's inside. Let's open it together, Lulu Belle. Look, Lulu Belle's doing it. Hey, she did it. Oh no.
What is it?
No way. Yeah, it's a girl one. Lucy would like it. I want to have the blue one or the black one.
What is that? Hey, Lulu Belle, check it out. Hey!
Let's check out what's in the egg. Puppy's in my pocket.
Oh, can you rip it?
Yep. What's this one? It's Toby the pug with some black tongue.
See the doggy, Lucy? See the doggy?
That was cool to see what else is in the egg. Cool. Rabbids Invasion 2.
Look at this one. Oh, he smokes. This one. Oh, he smokes. This one. Oh, he smokes.
This rabbit has a plunger. This is the rabbit.
What's that, Lucy?
Cells in the egg. 2 Shopkins Micro Lites Series 1. Let's open it up. Check it out. Let's see who this is. Popcorn. This is popcorn. Look, we got a baby guy.
Cool.
Let's see the last thing in the egg. Cool. Angry Birds. Cola. Angry Birds can do surprise. Lulu Belle really wants to eat it. Okay, I'm going to give it half and half, right?
Okay. Hey, Lucy. Hey. You got it.
Again. It's the same one.
Oh no, the same guy in skis again.
This guy last time. It's a big joke.
Hey, what a cheater. Cheater, pumpkin cheater.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. See you again for Bye Wednesday. See you next week.
Bye-bye. Hey. Bye-bye, Sammy. Here's Sammy Smoochie. Yay. Hey, it's Sammy. All right, good job.